So in this technological age, there are lots of apps and software programs to help you organize your photos. Do you need them? No, you can use your operating system's function to organize and search your photos. But if you're adding metadata and you want to search a little more with a little more sophistication and slice and dice in multiple ways, software can be helpful. But you need to ask, what are my goals? How comfortable are you learning new software? How much time will it take you to learn the software? And how much time will it take you to maintain your photo collection with a particular software? You also want to understand, is it on multiple platforms? Because if it works on your current operating system, but you change computers, change operating systems, will it follow you onto another operating system? And see if there's a free trial so you can test it out and see, will this work for me? Am I comfortable with it? Because you're either going to pay a subscription fee on and on and on, or some you can still buy it outright. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Love to help you and give you any advice that I can.